Leslie Gomez, and I'm the creative director and founder of Trying to Be Studios. Trying to Be is a lifestyle brand that focuses on the importance of sustainability through women's street fashion. I first began sewing in 2014 and reselling vintage garments on the internet in 2017. Since then, I have started to design and rework pieces from those garments. Throughout my journey of creating a brand for myself, I have gotten the opportunity to work on a little bit of everything from design to video editing and photography. Essentially, my goal is to collaborate with other brands and create pieces that the women's streetwear industry has never seen before. My latest collection, Repurposing with a Purpose, is very special to me. Not only are these vintage pieces handpicked, they are also one-of-ones, ensuring that you feel no guilt when you purchase because there is no extra production. Your purchase is a statement, not just a transaction, because when you invest in repurposed clothing, you're investing in the environment.